In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Merlin in Kingshot. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is access the Hall of Heroes, or click on the Heroes tab at the bottom of the page here. And now look for Merlin, or Marlin rather. So Marlin is available through the Hall of Heroes, which is unlocked after reaching a certain progression in the game. Now, we need to participate in special summoning events. So Marlin is often featured in special summoning events. During these events, you can use rare hero keys to summon Marlin. It's advisable to save your rare hero keys for these events to increase your chances of unlocking Marlin. Now, you can also complete event challenges. So engage in specific event-specific challenges that may offer Marlin shards or full unlocks as rewards. These challenges often coincide with summoning events. Now I'm going to have a quick rundown of Marlin's abilities. So conquest skills, he has a tidal rush, fermented blow and lucky hit. And expedition skills, he's got wild card, rumhead and dynamo.